Yeah, it's all there.
We're good?
Yeah, man. I appreciate it,
bro.
It looks good, man.
Yeah, I like it.
Looks sick. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, because if you don't know, I'm giving away this Yeti 65 here. I'm giving this away. All you gotta do is subscribe and then go to my Instagram, which I'll drop down here, and go tag 2 friends on the post of the Yeti. So go do that. There's about 100 people entered, so you have a pretty good chance of winning. You don't gotta throw no money down or anything like that. So all you gotta do is comment 2 friends and subscribe. But let's get right to the video. So I don't know if you can see that, but I got a set of wheels and tires back there. So last night I was on Facebook Marketplace just scrolling or whatever, and these wheels popped up. So they're 2414 Hostile on 35-inch Furies, and they're Dodge 8x6.5 lug pattern, which if you don't know, that's any Cummins like full size 2500 3500 truck. So these popped up. I talked the guy down. I hit him up instantly. He posted them and I hit him up within about 5 minutes of him posting them, because it was a really good deal. So I talked him down to 900 bucks. I had to drive to Naples, which is about an hour away, and I bought them. So I picked them up for 900 bucks, and the plan is to clean them up because they're all dirty, fix the curb rash, clean the tires, and then post them back up and hopefully make between 1,000 and 1,500 bucks. So that's the plan. I'm trying to do it all in a week. So let's show you these. So here they are. The tires aren't perfect, but they are in pretty good shape. They're definitely still runnable. So the plan is to clean the tires like I always do. I'm gonna fix the curb rash on the rims, and then I'm gonna clean the rims, and that's about it. So let's get these unloaded and get these all cleaned up so I can post them up and make some money. So that's the plan. So let's unload these. All right, so we got them all unloaded. Looking at them, I mean, this brake dust is like, it looks like it's an inch thick of brake dust. I don't think this guy's ever cleaned these things, but I mean, that's kind of why you get 900 bucks for him, because he was lazy and he didn't want to clean them. So now I come in, I'm gonna clean them. Hopefully I don't have to repaint the barrels, but I don't know. Worst case scenario, I'll have to, and I'll have them repainted, but it's not the end of the world. So I'm about to get these things sprayed up with some degreaser and some other stuff, and then once that is, I'm gonna pressure wash them, and then once they're pressure washed, I'm gonna clean them by hand. So that's the plan. So I guess I'm gonna start cleaning these things up. All right, so I got them all cleaned up with the pressure washer. I'm all done doing that. And now I got a bucket, and I've got this little scrub brush, and I'm pretty much just going around scrubbing them, scrubbing the barrels with just a rag. And I don't know, the pressure washer didn't do a whole lot. I mean, it took a lot of brake dust off, but as you can see, there still is a ton of brake dust. These wheels are pretty bad, definitely the worst I've ever seen. So we're gonna keep scrubbing away. I already finished 2. And finish these last 2, and I'll show you the final results, and then we're gonna figure out this curb rash. So here we go. Alright guys, so I got this one pretty much all done. I'm just rinsing it off right now, and I have one more to do after this. I have that wheel right there to do, and then once we're done with that, I'm gonna start working on this curb rash. So they came out pretty good. There is some brake dust residue, and there's still a little bit here and there, but I'm not really too worried about that. I just want to get them pretty clean. But yeah, let's get the other one done, and then I'll catch you back here, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do about the curb rash. What up, guys? So we're back here working on these wheels. It's been a couple days, but I've been super busy. But we're here working on them, trying to get these things posted for sale today. So right now, what I'm doing is I got my Dremel out, and I got my sandpaper bit, and I'm grinding out this curb rash on this wheel. And once I do that, I'm going to hit it with some 80 grit and sand it smooth, and then I'm gonna hit it with some 120 and then 220, get it smooth. And once I'm done with all that, I'm gonna tape this lip off, and I'm gonna sand the whole lip with like a, I don't know, probably a 220. And then I'm gonna spray it with this paint right here. I got some black spray paint. This is like the nice Rust-Oleum, and I got some clear coat. So that's the plan. Hopefully they come out good. I've never done this before, to be honest, but I mean, how hard could it be? I'm just fixing curb rash. So yeah, let's just keep working on this wheel. I got this one starting to look decent. I'm gonna then sand it, and obviously I'm gonna tape the lip right on this edge. But yeah, it's coming out good, and let's keep getting at it and get these things looking right so we can post them up. All right, guys, so they're all sprayed up. I laid 2 coats of clear and 3 coats of black, and they're looking great. So let's untape them and see how they came out. What up, guys? It's the next day. So I had a little bit of an issue yesterday after I sprayed this wheel. It came out all right, but if you look at the finish, it's like not shiny. So I was trying to figure out what the hell was going on, because I did all this work, it came out perfect, and it came out not shiny. So I looked at the clear coat I was using, and it says satin crystal clear. Satin crystal clear. So I guess it's like a, I don't know, like a matte finish. So really stupid of me. I should have, well, it says clear. It's like, I don't know. I bought this and it was the wrong stuff. So I've got some automotive grade high gloss clear. So I'm going to sand this down, and I have a guy coming to look at these in about 3 or 4 hours. So it's crunch time right now. I got to get these looking right. So I'm going to get right into them and get this looking right. So I'm gonna redo them all. I haven't actually even started those because I had this problem yesterday, but this shouldn't be that big of a deal. I'm gonna scuff it up and then lay some clear, and hopefully it comes out good. So here we go. Alright guys, so that one's all done. As you can see, it came out a million times better with the high gloss clear that I used. The other clear was just junk. But I'm going to get on these wheels because this guy's trying to come literally right now. So I'm going to get these done probably within the hour. And then I'm going to let them sit for an hour, maybe wax them up, maybe just wipe them down, make them look good once they dry. And then I'm going to have him come and hopefully he buys them. I have them up for 2,500 bucks. Right now I only have like 950 bucks into all this, so that'd be a pretty good deal. So let's see if we can make this happen. Alright guys, so I just finished up. They look great, so let's check them out. So that's the first one I did. Or no, this is the first one I did down there. But they came out nice. The new clear coat looks great. I'm definitely happy with how they came out compared to how they used to be. But yeah, I mean, they came out nice. So I'm happy with how they came out, and now I'm gonna text the guy. Here, I'll show you. Here's the guy. He said, can you meet you earlier than 3? What kind of truck did you have him on? What's the address? So he's coming. He wants to come really bad. So hopefully he's gonna bring cash. I have him up for 2,500 bucks. So now they're all good to go. Only thing I could say is they could use a buff. There's some brake dust and stuff on them still, but I'm happy with how they look. I'm not really too worried about it. They're good enough to sell to me. So we're gonna have this guy come and hopefully he buys them. And if he doesn't, I'll catch back with you guys when the next guy comes, because eventually they're gonna sell. So I'll let you guys know, and here we go. What's going on, man?
Hey,
I'm Judah. Nice to meet you, man. Nice truck.
Appreciate it.
Let me, they're in here. Let me open this up for you. Check them out. Hell yeah, this is my favorite hostile style. They're in good shape. They definitely could use like a clean. They got some brake dust and stuff on them, but I mean, wax them up, they'll be perfect. Tires are good. Yeah, they look good on that truck though.
Yeah, I'm gonna paint it, and I'm getting ready for new training in it.
Oh, really?
So I'm gonna do all the
Dodge problems.
Yeah, I mean, it's got 152,000. It's original training.
Yeah,
so.
that's not bad. I mean, it's pretty low miles.
Yeah, I'll take them, dude.
What are you doing with your wheels? You want to get rid of them?
I got a buddy that's looking at them.
Yeah. You don't want to swap them out now? You sell me these?
How much you want about it for?
I don't know. What would you get rid of them for?
I mean, the tires are maybe a year or two old.
Yeah. What would you take? A couple $100 or?
I don't know.
And we could swap them? What would you pay for these? To be honest with you, probably nothing. You wouldn't want them.
That's why I said I got a buddy that's probably gonna end up buying them. I'm just gonna
Yeah.
What do you think he wants for it?
I don't
What do
know.
you think he's gonna give you?
Yeah. Would you take $300 off those, and I'll help you mount them up. I got the jack and everything, so you can give me 22.
Alright, let's do that.
That's cool with you?
That's cool.
Yeah, I'm down with that. And you get to roll out flossing out, looking
Yeah,
good.
hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm game, man. Let's
Yeah, if you want to pull up there, we can swap them out.
go. Okay.
All right, so the guy's buying the wheels for $2,500, and he's selling me his wheels for $300, which I'll sell his for like $600 or $700. So that's a pretty badass deal to me. So we're about to put them on and then go from there. All right, guys, so the guy just left. He's super happy. Couldn't be more happy with the wheels. He loved the way they looked. First thing he said was like, oh damn, those things are clean. So obviously I did a good job fixing them, and I bought these off him for 300 bucks. Helped him swap them out. And these tires alone are 1,400 bucks, and they got great tread. And these rims, I mean, they're 20s. They really aren't that bad. So I'm gonna clean these up, do my tire stuff that I do to every set of wheels and tires I ever do. I'm gonna spray that stuff on, clean them up, pressure wash them. I'm gonna post these up for probably 850 bucks, maybe 1,000. And that comes out to, what is that? I got 2,200 from him. I'll sell these for, let's say, 700. So that comes out to $3,000 I got for these wheels. Once I sell these, I got 3 grand for those, and I only paid 900 for those, maybe put 50 bucks into them. So that's about a $2,000 flip off some wheels and tires I bought off Facebook. So, I mean, that was all extra money to me. That wasn't like what I do for a living or anything. That was just literally extra money. I seen a good deal and I went and got it. So a lot of people are always asking me how to make more money, how to do this, how to get better deals, how do I have what I have, or all this stuff they ask me, and it all starts in little stuff like that. So I don't know, my whole life has just been constant me buying and selling stuff, wheels, tires. I mean, I probably buy a set of wheels and tires every week, to be honest. So I took you guys through this set, and I do a lot more sets, and maybe I'll make more videos like this in the future. But if you liked it and enjoyed it, drop a like and also subscribe, because we're trying to grow this channel as fast as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.